India's worst civil aviation disaster in almost 3 decades after an Air India London-bound flight with over 240 people on board crashed shortly after takeoff. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has visited the site in Ahmedabad where the jet crashed on Thursday, while investigators begin their investigation into what went wrong. With more on the story, we have Navodita Kumari in Ahmedabad. What is the latest on this deadly crash? Investigators are still searching for clues to the cause. Tell us more.
Yeah, we are right at the site of the crash. If you see the building behind me is the building, hostel building where the plane came down burning. And we still see it's been more than 24 hours since this tragic crash. We still see smoke coming out of this building from time to time. There are a couple of people, probably people from the investigation team. They have been scouting through and scrutinizing every inch of that rooftop and probably collecting evidence. And there are on my right at least 4 buildings, 5-story building, which are off white in color, but most of them have now turned black because of the smoke that came out of the burning plane. And all those people living in these buildings had a very lucky escape yesterday. And we have been here since at least an hour, and we have been seeing hundreds of people from Ahmedabad traveling 15-20 kilometers from here, gathering, and they are very curious to know about this crash. They have been gathering to have a look at the debris and how this plane and the remains of the plane, which are very tiny in pieces, look like. Every now and then the security forces have to ask them to leave, but they keep coming minutes after minutes in hundreds. And we know that this morning Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself also visited the crash site and also went to the hospital, met with the injured people, met with the lone survivor of this plane crash. So as to why this crash happened, we will only know after the investigation team have completed their investigation, and for that we'll have to wait probably for a couple of days or maybe more. So we just are awaiting for more information about the reasons behind this crash.
So no concrete answer yet, but there are different theories going around about why this plane crashed. Some experts say the wing flaps played a role in causing this crash. As you said, it could be days, even months before we have a definitive answer. Any theory that is being prioritized?
Some experts, aviation experts, I've heard on talking on Indian television have said, looking at the last video of the plane before it went down, that probably the flaps of the plane did not work on time, and pilot tried his best to put all the force and engine power to take it off, but the plane could not gain the height it needed to be airborne and take off, and that's why it came down. This is one of the theories. Others are also talking about probably because of the heat and maybe there was fuel clogging in the engine, or some are also talking about bird hit, which is a high probability in Ahmedabad and has risen in the last few years. But to have a concrete answer, we'll definitely have to wait for now.